Hi friends, today we are going to discuss on how to tune the Autolube or the 2T oil pump of an RX series bike. There are slight differences between the Yamaha RX 100 and 135 2T pump. There is also a 135 5-speed 2T pump which is slightly smaller than the normal pumps, so we'll discuss that as well. So first you need to remove the 2T oil pump cover. For that you need to remove these 3 screws, and you see the screw there. That screw needs to be aligned with a small dot. I'll show you how the dot looks like. So this is a screw that I was talking about, and this is the dot. So I'll show you. This is a 135 4-speed. So this is the notch that you need to align with this screw. These two need to be aligned like this. This is for an RX 100. There is a small hole that you see, and that needs to be aligned. If you loosen this, it would move this down, and if you tighten, it would move it up. So that's how you do the adjustment. So once it is adjusted, you need to bleed it. So for that you need to start the bike, remove the screw. Once the screw is removed, the air inside the system will be pumped. This will take some time, so please be patient. So we'll see oil coming out of that little hole from where we remove the screw. Once the oil starts coming out, what you need to do is you just need to put the screw back and tighten it fully. Then we would also bleed the air out of the tube. For that, this again would take about 2 to 3 minutes for the oil to come out. So you have to keep the engine running and wait for the oil to come out. What you can do is you can just remove the tube from the pump and just see if the oil is coming out of the nozzle. If it is coming out of the nozzle, just refit it, otherwise the pump might need servicing. This video would not cover how to repair the oil pump. We would make another video depending on if you guys would like to see it. So once the oil is out, you need to refit the tube back, so the oil will seep out in a minute. There you go, the oil is coming out. So just connect it to the carburetor. Put the 3 screws back and put the cover back. Make sure you tighten it fully, because if it rains, it will collect water inside this. And thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.